Hey there, food lovers! Looking for a tasty, budget-friendly meal that's ready in just minutes? Look no further than fried rice. This classic dish is the perfect way to transform leftover rice into a flavor-packed feast. With just a few simple ingredients and some basic cooking skills, you'll be enjoying a restaurant-quality meal in your own kitchen. Let's get started. Before we fire up the stove, let's gather our culinary troops. Here's what you'll need for a basic fried rice that serves 2 to 3 people. Base ingredients: 2 cups cooked rice, preferably day-old, *, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, which will help in frying the ingredients to perfection, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, adding that essential umami flavor, salt and pepper to taste, to enhance the overall flavor of the dish. Veggies, choose your favorites. 1 small onion, chopped finely to blend well with the rice, 2 cloves garlic, minced to add a fragrant aroma, 1 cup chopped vegetables, carrots, peas, corn, etc., for a colorful and nutritious addition. Protein, optional, 1 cup cooked chicken, shrimp, or tofu, diced into bite-sized pieces to add some extra protein to your meal. Want to know the secret to amazing fried rice? It's simpler than you might think. It all starts with the rice itself. Freshly cooked rice is too moist and sticky for the perfect fried rice. Day-old rice is drier than freshly cooked rice, which prevents it from becoming mushy when stir-fried. The grains are more firm and separate easily. If you don't have day-old rice, spread your cooked rice on a baking sheet and let it air dry in the refrigerator for about an hour. This method mimics the drying process of day-old rice. This will help remove excess moisture and give you the perfect texture for frying. The result is rice that is fluffy, with each grain distinct and deliciously crispy. Now, let's cook. Fried rice is a versatile and delicious dish that you can easily make at home. Follow these simple steps to create a perfect fried rice that will impress your family and friends. 1. Scramble the eggs. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. The key to great fried rice is to cook each component separately to ensure the best texture and flavor. Whisk eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. This will add a subtle seasoning to the eggs, enhancing the overall taste of the dish. Pour eggs into the hot skillet and cook, stirring occasionally until lightly scrambled. Be careful not to overcook the eggs. They should be soft and slightly runny. Transfer the eggs to a plate and set aside. This step ensures that the eggs don't get overcooked while you prepare the other ingredients. 2. Sauté the veggies. Add the remaining oil to the skillet. Using a variety of colorful vegetables not only makes the dish visually appealing, but also adds a range of flavors and nutrients. Add onion and garlic and cook until softened, about 3 minutes. The aroma of sautéing onions and garlic will fill your kitchen, setting the stage for a delicious meal. Add your chosen vegetables and cook until tender crisp, about 5 minutes. You can use any vegetables you like, such as bell peppers, peas, carrots, or corn. 3. Add the rice and protein. Push the vegetables to one side of the skillet. This creates space for the rice and protein to cook evenly. Add the cooked rice and protein to the other side. Leftover rice works best for fried rice as it is drier and less likely to clump together. Break up any large clumps of rice with the back of a spoon. This ensures that the rice is evenly distributed and absorbs all the flavors. Pour soy sauce over the rice and stir everything together. Soy sauce adds a savory depth to the dish, but you can also experiment with other sauces like oyster sauce or hoisin sauce. 4. Combine and serve. Add the scrambled eggs back to the skillet and stir to combine. The eggs add a rich, creamy texture to the fried rice. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until heated through. This final step ensures that all the ingredients are well mixed and hot. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve immediately and enjoy. Fried rice is best enjoyed fresh and hot. And there you have it. A delicious and easy fried rice that you can make anytime. Remember, fried rice is all about customization. You can tailor it to your taste and dietary preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment with different vegetables, proteins, and sauces to create your own signature dish. Enjoy! Cooking is all about creativity and making something that you love. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share. Happy cooking!